Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy coin. Guys, ladies, yesterday I told you if we zoom out and look here on the 4-hourly, that here this could be a potential W pattern, a double bottom, like this. This one had the neckline here at 0.02 and the potential price target of 0.0239. Look, it broke out perfectly and hit the price target. And also I told you yesterday that if Jasmy coin can reach this price target, a potential breakout of this downtrend line is very, very likely. Right now, you can see here on the 4-hourly, Jasmy broke out of this pattern, but there's still 1 hour left. If you zoom in and look on the hourly chart, you can see this is actually a very bearish candle with a long wick. This could be a potential retest from this breakout, from this neckline, but it could also lead into a fake out. If this is just a retest, we are still in a bullish mood. The price target would be at 0.06 to 0.0623. So this could be a massive pump of 150%. So therefore, watch out, be careful if this is really a clear breakout or just a fake out. So if you see a retest and it comes again over this line here, over this breakout point, then it's a perfect point for an entry for a long position. If you want to trade, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phoenix or Bybit. Of course, if you want to support me, you can use my links in the description. After your first initial deposit, you will get a bonus depending on your first deposit. So, I mean, Jasmy looks right now actually pretty good, but be careful on the hourly. The RSI is very oversold, and also on the 4-hourly, it is in a overbought section. Overbought, and maybe we can see a little bit more to the upside, but after that I expect a retracement or a little correction. So we can also look here at a Fibonacci level. Okay, if we do it from this swing high to the swing low here, the golden pocket would be at 0.03. So at this yellow box here. So it is likely that it will come to the 0.5 Fibonacci level, maybe come down again, retest the golden pocket, maybe retest at 0.5 level, and then break through it to this 786 Fibonacci level. So that is a very possible scenario. Okay, guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, check out my channel, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you will always be get a notification when I upload a new video. I do different videos about trending altcoins like Baby Doge, Jasmy coin, GMT token, Audios, Ripple, and of course Bitcoin. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Peace out, guys and ladies. See you in the next video.